Hey, CakePay from Cake Wallet allows you to buy gift cards from over 150,000 merchants in the US, all with Monero, Bitcoin, or Litecoin, all inside the same app, and all you need is an email. This all sounds fantastic on paper, but Cake Wallet said, we'll sponsor you guys to try it out, and here we are, and we're gonna find out if it's actually that easy to use. Looks like it might be this. So we just scanned the gift card. Yeah. And it goes through. It was that easy. Likewise, retailers and digital signage companies are considering ways to leverage NFC to deliver marketing tailored to a user's location and preferences. To top it all off, Google and Apple's involvement in payments means your shopping habits are now tied to your Google and Apple account. I am now on Hotels.com, which is one of the merchants on CakePay. We just booked a hotel with Monero using nothing but my phone and Cake Wallet. Location data can be used in ways you may not intend, like tracking travel patterns, targeting you for marketing, and location tracking itself is another data point used to build a comprehensive record on your life. We've seen how Uber handled this back in Section 3, Apple got in trouble some time ago for storing GPS data in an unencrypted file, and if you've enabled Google location history, just go look for yourself at how extensive this can be.